Hey guys, it's Scarlett from 38 Investing, and today's video is a little bit different than my usual. We are going to be going over how to make a money challenge on your own through Canva in literally 5 minutes or less. And so I'm going to be going over how to use Canva, this free service. So to start out, do know that you just need to sign up, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So it's a free account. So let's go ahead and go into here. So if we're going to be making a printable money challenge, something that you can provide to other people if you're a blogger, or something that you want to do on your own, I typically say, let's do it on US letter document. The US letter document is a 8.5 by 11. So I start here. There are a lot of different free templates that you'll see popping up here that they'll try to give you, but to be honest, I'm not going to use any of them for this specific thing. So it's going to show you, okay, so we want to make this free printable for a money challenge. So what we're going to start out with is, honestly, let's go find some sort of text, okay? I want to put some text up here saying what it is. Again, if you're going to be giving this as a blogger, as a freebie, or selling it on Etsy, for example, we want something that looks good. So going through some of my previous ones, let's just do something like this. It's the first one. That's easy. So I'm going to go ahead and move this over here. And let's say I want it to be a no spend challenge. And so I'm going to make this printable something where I'm going to have it where you cross out or color in a thing every day of the month to see if you can make it 30 days of a month of a no spend challenge. So let's do that. And again, totally customizable. You can do whatever you want on this. This is just a tutorial of how to do this. So I'm going to say, let's say it's a day tracker. We'll call it that. Now, typically I don't like when things are grouped here. It makes it hard to customize. So I'm going to go to ungroup, and I'm going to take this. I want to make a new color. I have my branded colors put in here, and I'm showing you everything on a free account here so that you have more availability. You can understand what you can get for free here. I do have a pro account, but this is just showing you what you can expect if you don't want to pay for an account. So these again are my brand colors, some of my colors. So I'm going to leave that there. And let's see, what I typically do is I put in a whole bunch of rows of different elements that you can cross out. So let's go ahead. I always use all these little guys, but let's say you want to get a pig because you want piggy bank or something like that. So we can go down and look to find something you like, which I kind of like this guy. And this guy, I typically go in, change the colors. Let's do this one. I'll go with my branding. So I'm going to start here. I like to make this a little bit bigger so I can see really what I'm doing. I'm going to cross out these. So if we have 30 days of the week, then let's see, we need either 5 rows of 6 or 6 rows of 5 elements. So let's go ahead and start here. I always use shortcuts of Control-C, Control-V. So copy paste. So I'll put that guy there, and then you can highlight, drag over, and go Control-C, Control-V. Since I have enough room, I'm going to go ahead and do Control-V again. Give myself 6 little piggies there. So I'm going to take this, Control-C, Control-V, and voila. We have 2 rows, super easy there. I'm going to take this, ooh, and it looks like they're a little bit off. So I'm going to take this and move it as evenly as possible. So watch this, Control-C, Control-V, super sneaky, I love it. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need one more row here, Control-C, Control-V. And yeah, guys, this is so easy. You can make so many free printables and freebies and whatnot for all of your subscribers or your email list so fast. I mean, in under 5 minutes, no joke. So if you want to adjust this, you can make it a little bit smaller, a little bit bigger. You can change the colors altogether, which is really nice. I'm just trying to make it really even here. And then typically it's recommended that you put your website down there, or if you're making this just for yourself, you don't have to really add this, but I'm going to go in here and just put going to put this down here to finish it off so that it has that branding. You can change the size. If you see up here, you can change size, font, color. A lot of times I like to go in and make it about half there. A lot of times I like to change the color again to go with the branding. And so we'll look here. This is a super basic template, something super easy, but honestly, this is all that you need for like a free printable. And we can go in here and, oop, that's a little bit, oh, yeah. I've noticed for some reason, if I make it full screen, it'll go and like freeze on me, which is so weird. But yeah, and then here you can just kind of go in and adjust things as you want, which is really nice. I'm gonna ungroup that, I thought I did that. And so make things as even as you want. So yeah, so this is how you make a type of monthly money challenge tracker. With this, a lot of times I include something else right in here. If I want to make this a teeny bit smaller, this is just for my additional aesthetic desires here, but I'm going to do Control-C, Control-V. Let's see, I want start date, let's say. I'm going to make that a little bit smaller. There we go. And I'll just make a little contrast. So what's awesome is you can just go in, download, and click, boom, download your design. And again, this is a free account. And so this is what your product would look like once your followers, or even again, if you're not a blogger, once you print it out, it would look like. You can totally customize any of this, but hopefully you learned a little something from this video. And so you can go make your own printables. You don't have to go join a million different email lists so that you can achieve your financial goals with customized printables. Thanks for watching, you guys.